Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am, you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward business, beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have an empowerment and kind of a business video. This video is titled, Just Start, You Can Perfect It Later. So if you want to think of it as empowerment, if you're not trying to start a business, or if you want to think of it as business, whatever you want to think of it as, you need to just start and perfect it later. So I'm not even just talking about business, but in life in general, people have a lot of fear when starting new things and starting new ventures. Yes, everybody gets scared, but if you allow fear to make you not do something, you're going to stay stuck in the same place that you've been in. For instance, let's keep it real simple. You like a guy. If you're scared to talk to this person, you're gonna be in that same space, not talking to this person. So you might as well try it out to see what's gonna happen. And that's what we have to do in life. We have to try things out to see if they're for us, if they're gonna happen. But you letting fear control what you're going to do is kind of ridiculous, because it just shows that you don't mind staying in the same space. You don't mind doing the same things over and over again. And it shows that you don't truly value success because you're not doing anything to change it. You're okay being where you're at. And that type of stuff just blows me, because personally, I'm the type of person to make a way. When I don't like something, I need to fix it. If I want to do something, I need to find a way to do it. And I know that everybody's not the same, but it amazes me that some people will really not enjoy the space that they're in and continue to stay in it. I cannot do it. And I always see this quote on Instagram and Twitter and just social media in general, and it basically says, someone that is less qualified is doing the same things that you want to do because they're not scared. Now, that's not the exact quote, but that's basically the quote. Somebody out there who doesn't have as many credentials as you, doesn't know the things that you know, can't do it like you do it. Somebody out there is living your dream life all because they're not scared to chase their dreams. Because in reality, you don't have to do things perfect. You just have to try, and you just have to put your best foot forward, and things will work out for you. So the fact that some of you are letting less qualified people do things that you're dreaming of doing when you have the credentials to do so is mind-boggling to me. A lot of you want things to be perfect before you do them, and I understand that you want to put your best foot forward. You should never put less than your best foot forward, but don't not do something because it's not perfect. For instance, YouTube. My first YouTube video was not like this. I didn't have a background, didn't have a ring light, didn't have good quality at all. I was using a different app than I use now to edit, but I still did the video. I thought it was perfect at the time, honestly, but looking back at it, it was not perfect at all. You couldn't really hear me. I said a lot. I didn't know how to edit for real, but I still did it, and now I can go back and look at the growth that I've made. And if you look at other YouTubers or Instagrammers posts and videos, you can go back to when they first started. And I know that I do that a lot just for motivational purposes. I might go to not really like a famous person, because you don't know like how long they've been famous. You might not see, you know, when they wasn't famous. But YouTubers, you can almost always go back and see their first videos, because you can look at videos from oldest to newest. So I usually always go back to old videos, and I'll be like, dang, okay, so she started where I'm at, so I know that I can get to where she's at. She wasn't where she's at in this first video. She wasn't perfect. It wasn't perfect, but she still did it, and now she has millions of subscribers. She has millions of dollars. She has millions of followers, blase, blase. Because a lot of y'all don't want to go through the growing process. Y'all just want to be grown already. Y'all want to be, you know, just ready, just famous, or whatever you want to do. Y'all just want that instant gratification right now. You don't want to go through the hard work and the growing stage. Right now I have 18,000 followers on Instagram. I remember when I had 200, I remember when I had 5,000. You don't start off with these large numbers. You don't start off with this large platform. You have to work to get there. You have to be willing to, if we're talking about Instagram, you have to be willing to make content, interact with followers, figure out what your niche is. Even on YouTube, you have to be able to figure out what you want to do on here. You have to work at it. You have to make those videos. You have to attract that audience. You have to do what you need to do to get to where you're trying to go. Wait, is that right? You have to do what you have to do to get to where you need to go. None of us start off perfect, and it's life. We're probably, nobody ever is going to be perfect, but just keep striving for that. You have to start in order for you to even get close to perfection. But a lot of y'all won't start, and I don't understand why. Why are you okay with being mediocre? Why are you okay with giving congratulations and never getting congratulated? Why are you okay with that? Why are you okay with not putting your best foot forward in life? Why are you okay with being upset and depressed because you're not doing nothing? What type of sense does that make? If you want to do something, then do it. And like I said before, don't just throw anything out there, because that's not what I'm saying. You don't have to just throw something out there, but at least work towards it. If you're not already launching or doing it, at least be working towards it. Write it down. I just did a video last week about manifesting, and I'll drop it in the description box below. But write it down so it can come to fruition. Speak it over yourself. Tell yourself you're gonna do it. Write it down. Write the plan down and get it done. A lot of y'all just won't get it done, and I don't understand. Because what's gonna happen is you're going to keep procrastinating. You're gonna keep seeing people do what you wanna do. You're gonna keep seeing people help in ways that you want to help. You're going to keep seeing people motivate in ways that you wanna motivate when you could have been doing that. Let's just say you wanna be a motivational speaker. You're gonna keep seeing motivational speakers when that could have been you. You gotta start somewhere. Start on YouTube, start on Instagram. It doesn't matter, but just start. And then you won't have to be upset when you see other people being successful doing what you're doing, because y'all doing it together. But I say all of this to say we're all always scared. Nobody ever jumps into something not afraid of the outcome, but we don't let our fear control us. We don't let that stop us. Like right now, I'm in the process of relaunching my waist trainers. So y'all know I used to do waist trainers, but then I stopped so I could focus on my brand. And I've been working towards it for a couple of months, and now I finally have a finished product that I can finally launch. Boom. Glow Row Fitness waist trainers, cute little packaging. Not so much, still waiting on my mailers to come in. But nonetheless, I didn't just launch it right away. I didn't just go get some waist trainers off the street and sell them, but I still worked towards it. I talked to them. Though I'm still really nervous to relaunch, I'm not about to let that stop me, because I know that it's money and it's success on the other side of those waist trainers, so I'm going to sell them. So don't be afraid to do anything. Start it, perfect it as you go. Keep growing and keep striving to be the best that you can be. That is all for this video. I really hope that I motivated y'all to just get up and get to work, because we're not getting any younger. Success is on the other side of whatever you're scared to do. But that was all for this video, you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at XO_Romani. Make sure you follow my business pages on Instagram at Hair by Romani and at Glow with Row Fitness. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Comment below if, I just motivated you, or just comment some motivational words for somebody who may be scared to start. And if you're scared to start something, just check the comments and get motivated. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.